Okay, so look, check this out. I've been hearing about this shit called one guy, one screwdriver, right? And, like, every time I see the reaction videos, like, people act like they about to throw up, like they about to cry. So I had to make a reaction video, cause I want to see how this really is. Okay, let's look. Oh, why his shit look? Ugh, his stuff look nasty.
You are demons. I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own
His
blood.
whole ass went in the cup. Oh my gosh. Do you see that blood? That's the fucking big part of the script. It's bleeding. It's like gushing out blood. It's just flowing. Oh, I want to stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Look at all that blood. And you don't put the blood on the camera. That's a puddle of blood that came out his. Oh my gosh, that's hella blood everywhere. That shit is, no, that's not cool. It's not cool. That's not cool. It's not funny. It's not legit. That dude needs help. That dude needs strictly help. Well, just remember, Lil Ari is saying that man needs help. Oh no, that's insane.